Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Babajide. I live in Canada, Ontario, Canada. I talk about living and thriving in Canada for immigrants, for people who also new to Canada and also improve their finances. I also talk about mindset because I believe strongly that mindset is important in personal growth and development and also in finance. Today I'll be talking about Canadian dividend stocks guide for July 2025. In this video, I'll be talking about Canadian companies paying dividends to its investors in July 2025. So just as the slide says, a comprehensive overview of dividend-paying stocks across key Canadian market sectors with payment dates and investor insight for July 2025. And here is a disclaimer. I have positions in some of these companies I'll be mentioning. However, I would advise you to do your own research to make sure that you make informed decision as you embark on your journey of dividend income investing. So I believe strongly in dividend income investing. I am personally investing in dividend paying stocks, Canadian stocks and ETF, because my goal is that within the next 10 to 15 years, I can comfortably retire on my dividend income and thereby making my 9 to 5 optional. So that is the goal. That is the financial goal. So it is a step at a time. Maybe it may be small. A little here makes a difference over the long term. So let's get started. So for the financial sector dividend paying stocks this month, we have Bank of Nova Scotia. Its current dividend yield is 5.87. It has a high yield with international market exposure risk. Payment is July 29, 2025. The next one is a BCE Incorporated, stable cash flow with solid dividend backing. Payment is July 15. Its yield is 5.61%. IGM Financials currently has a yield of 5.27%. It's a wealth management company with a focus on consistent dividend growth. Payment is July 31st. Manulife is a global insurance company. Not only invested in Canada, it has market outside of Canada. It has an attractive yield of 5.13, but of course, currency risk because it's invested significantly in markets outside Canada. Payment is July 19. So the next sector is the energy sector. So we have Whitecap Resources, WCP, ticker symbol. Current yield is 7.88%. The next dividend paying date is July 15. Pito Exploration, PUI, dividend yield is 7.11%, July 15, payment date. Canadian Natural Resources, CNQ, dividend yield is 5.47%. Dividend paying date is July 3rd, 2025. Vermilion Energy Incorporated, VET, dividend yield 5.2%. Payment date is July 15, 2025. Then we have the telecommunications sector. TELUS Corporation's current yield is 7.52%. It's high yield, but currently it faces competitive pressures from other telecom industry companies like Rogers. So it currently paying 7.52%. However, you should take note if you're investing in a company of the current competitive nature of the telecommunication industry in Canada, which might erode or reduce its profit margin and therefore compromise its ability to pay dividends going forward. However, currently it's still going strong, but do your own research if you're interested in TELUS dividend income. Algonquin Power. Algonquin Power is more or less like a utility company, not a telecom. It's a growing utility with renewable energy focus. Payment date is July 15. Currently is diversifying into renewable energy focus. The global trend is shifting towards renewable energy and is hoping to get a significant share of the market, so which makes a stock very stable and strong going to the future. So the next sector what looking at is the consumer goods and services. We have the Restaurant Brands International QSR. Current dividend yield is 3.64%. Payments on July 8. It has a growing global food service market, so which position it as a good dividend payer going to the future. Second one is Premium Brand Holdings PBH. Current yield is 4.09%. Payment is on July 15. Special is into specialty food niche with steady dividend growth. Third one in this sector is George Weston Limited, WN ticker symbol. Current dividend yield is 1.31%. Payment is on July 1st. Stable grocer. It's a stable grocer with consistent dividend. Fourth one is Spin Master Core, TOY ticker symbol. 2.03% dividend yield. Payments on July 11th. TOY company has cyclical risk, so you may want to consider that if you are investing in his stock for dividend. Real estate investment trust sector, the REITs sector in Canada paying in July. We have Ryokan REIT, so that's it's a large retail real estate investment trust. However, it's sensitive to retail sector trends. You need to take note of that if you're investing in stock for dividend. Payment date is July 8th. Crombie REIT is also a retail real estate investment trust with attractive yield, but it also has retail risk. So payment is on July 15. The next REIT stock paying dividend in July is Dream Industrial Real Estate Investment Trust. It is not a retail focus, it is but industrial focus on REIT. That's good yield with growth potential. Payment date is July 15. So other notable real investment trusts that will be paying dividend this July 2025 is Primaries with a dividend yield of 5.7%, 71%. Choice Properties 5.2%. Granite Rates 4.84%. So if you're interested in real estate investment trust dividend payment, you can consider this company. Do your research and choose the one that best fit your long-term dividend investment strategy. Now let's talk about the industrial and the material sector. We have notable industries like Mitrian, West Fraser, Tullamore Industries, Berger Infrastructures, Canadian Pacific Railway. So they have dividend yields of 3.61, 1.72, 1.67, 1.51, and 0.83% respectively. And on the screen you can see the dates for their payment of their dividend to their shareholders. A brief look at health and technology sectors. We have the likes of H&R REIT, which is 4.93%. Chartwell Retirement is paying 3.35% this month. Rogers Communication, which is into technology, is paying 4.56%, and the Constellation Software is paying 0.11%. Miscellaneous and other sectors, we have Premium Brand Holdings paying 4.09% this month, July 15. Is the specialty food with growing market share. We have Spin Master Call, 2.0% yield. Payment is on July 11. Batex Energy Call, 3.66%. Payment is on July 2. George Weston Limited, paying also this month with a dividend yield of 1.31% on July 1st. So this is a summary of the Canadian dividend stock paying this July 2025. So if you're interested in any of this company going forward, this list should be a good starting point for you to look into such in sectors that is of interest to you. Make your research and then get on the board of dividend investing. Dividend investing is a way personally I motivate myself to stay disciplined. Every month and every quarter that I get dividend payment from some of these companies keeps me motivated to stay on the journey of retiring early. Each dividend income you make, I want to tell you, is a time saved. Okay, is a time saved from your 9-to-5 work, and it's an opportunity for you to retire early. So you want to take your financial future into your hands, not in the hand of your employer, not in the hand of government. You literally want to be in control of your finance. And the investing in dividend income is one of the strategies to literally take responsibility for your finance. And you will thank me if you really do. Thank you for watching. If you love this video, please like it and share it and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Bye.